Welcome to our channel. If you're struggling with inventory accuracy, you're not alone. Today, we're going to reveal how mastering cycle counting in NetSuite can transform your inventory management practices. Cycle counting is a systematic way to audit your inventory without closing your warehouse operations. It can help reduce discrepancies and ensure that your records are up to date. To maintain your inventory accuracy, it's essential to analyze the results from your counts regularly. NetSuite provides insightful reports that highlight discrepancies and patterns in lost or miscounted items. So, why is cycle counting important? Unlike a full physical inventory count, cycle counting allows you to regularly check a portion of your inventory. This practice helps identify discrepancies and maintain high levels of accuracy in your stock records. In this video, we guide you step by step on how to improve inventory accuracy using the powerful method of cycle counting. We demonstrate this process using the inventory count feature, a key tool designed to streamline and enhance inventory management. Navigate to Transactions. Inventory. Enter inventory count. Start by opening the inventory count page. In the subsidiary field, we will see a list of available subsidiaries. For this example, let's select United States. Next, in the location field, choose US-1 to focus the count on a specific operational area. Move to the department field and select Production. And in the class field, choose Computing and Peripherals to categorize the items being counted. Specify the date for accuracy, and in the account field, select 5011, Cost of Goods. Then, under the Items subtab, select the item Amazon Basic. Once all the fields are filled in, click Save. This creates an inventory count record with a unique ID, such as IC57, and sets the status to Open. Click Edit button. The inventory count page appears, select the item, and then click OK. After saving, click the Start Count button. This changes the status to Started, allowing you to update the details. Click Edit button. Enter the count quantity as 5010. Then click the Count Details icon. Set the status to Good. Update the quantity to 5010. Click OK. And save the changes. Next, click the Complete Count button. The status will update to Completed pending approval. To review the updated details, navigate to the Items tab and click View Snapshot Details. After confirming the data, close the pop-up. Also click the Variance Details Field View button to check the updated details. After confirming the data, close the pop-up and click Approve. This final step confirms the count, updates the system, and sets the status to Approved, ensuring your inventory records reflect accurate quantities. Yes, we have successfully completed the inventory count process in NetSuite, ensuring accurate and updated records. And that wraps up our comprehensive guide on mastering cycle counting in NetSuite. Following these steps can boost your inventory accuracy, streamline your warehouse operations, and drive efficiency across your business. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable content. Leave a comment below with your questions or share your cycle counting experiences. Until next time, keep counting efficiently.